In this lesson, we will talk about PayPal. So make sure you stick along. And in the next 2 lessons, I will show you in detail how to create a PayPal account and how to link a bank account to your PayPal or a card. With that said, in your favorite browser, search for PayPal. I will also explain briefly about fees and some location restrictions that you might have. So type PayPal and then click on the first link that says paypal.com, as you can see right here. And in this, we already have the option to either log in or sign up. And by the way, if you have already a PayPal account, you can skip this video and the next one. Click on sign up, and this is where you'll be able to create your account, which I will be doing it in more details in the next lesson. You can either choose personal or business accounts. If you have a business, I would recommend you to go with business account. If you don't get what I mean by having a business account, that means having an LLC set up in the US or Europe or whatever country you live in. But for most of you, we will be going with personal accounts. Keep in mind that it is the same steps for both of those cases, so don't worry. One thing that I would like you to also understand is the fees. As you can see right here, PayPal consumer fees. Buying and sending money can be easy, fast, and secure when using PayPal, but there is fees. You can find everything right in here. So there's about currency conversions. If you're working with another currency other than US dollars, you will have those fees as well. Withdrawing out of PayPal, how much does it cost and everything. I would suggest you to head into this page by yourself and see what country you live in to see what will the case be for you. But there's also another thing that I would like to discuss, which is basically the list of the countries right here, and it's available in 200 countries and supports 25 currencies. And you can see this in this following list right here. If you go ahead to your browser, type PayPal countries list, as you can see right here, you'll find this page that I'm talking about. Look at your own country and see what kind of things do you have. Is it even allowed in your country? Is it not? And so on. I will show you how to create a PayPal account. First of all, head to paypal.com in your favorite browser. Click on the sign up button. And by the way, if you're not following alongside from a computer, I would suggest to do so. But if you're using it also on a phone, you can do the same thing in Play Store or iOS Store. Type PayPal and then you will find the proper to install it and also do the same steps with me. So I will choose personal account, but as I mentioned in the previous lesson, the setup is the same for both. Click on continue. Here you will be able to enter your email. I'll enter my email and I will be right back. So right after entering your email, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. After putting your phone number, you'll be prompted to create a password. I would suggest you to go ahead and type online password generator, so that you generate a very secure password for your own account. Right here, you can customize the password length, copy it and save it somewhere safe. So right after that, you'll finish by putting your personal information that contains your nationality, first name, last name, national ID, the ID number, and date of birth. Right after that, you'll be prompted to enter your address and then click agree and create an account. Once you've done all of those steps, you can see that we have this page. I will click Vote Now. And then we will be prompted to link an ad card. If we want, we can link it right here. If you don't see this page, don't worry. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to link a card or a bank account. I'll click Vote Now. And that's it. You have successfully created your own PayPal account. I'll show you how to link a card to your PayPal account or a bank account to the PayPal, so that when you receive a payment from eBay to PayPal, you can withdraw that payment to either your card or your bank. With that said, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are on paypal.com. Log in if you are not logged in already. And here in this page, the process is pretty simple and straightforward. Go down all the way, you'll be able to see some things. One of them is set up your account. You have to confirm your email, and then you will be able to link a bank account or link your cards. To confirm your email, all you have to do is click on this, send the email, so that the email is sent to your own inbox. And then later on, if you have the email set up in Gmail, type in gmail.com and you will be able to log in into your account and see if you got the email. Right after verifying your email account, go back to PayPal and scrolling down on set up your account, click on link your cards. In this section, you will be able to enter your card number, select the card type, expiration date, security code, and then the billing address. And once you're done, all you have to do is simply click link card and the card will get linked and be verified. The same process goes for the bank accounts. In the home page, you'll see link a card or a bank on the right section right here. Click on it. You'll be prompted into this page where you can link a card or link a bank account. Let's say once you have a payment coming in and you have a balance in your PayPal, you can click on send payments and choose the option to transfer to your bank. You'll click on this option. And since there's nothing in this account, you can see that there's nothing to transfer right now. But in your case, you'll be able to put in your bank account details and then transfer the money accordingly. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.